Hey everyone, I wanted to just give you a little tutorial on how to post videos to BlackBoard. It's actually fairly easy to post, but I thought I'd go through and show you how it's done. So this week's week 2 video uploads, I'm asking you to reply to this post with 2 separate replies. One reply will be your embedded video from YouTube, while the other will be an embedded video from Vimeo. Okay, so what that means is you should reply to this post with 2 separate videos that you have uploaded. Okay, so you should have already gotten your camera, should have already taken a sample video and uploaded it to YouTube and Vimeo. So this is how we do it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do just like the instructions state. I'm going to reply to this post. Okay, and the subject is going to be my name. And I'm going to say Daniel's YouTube video. Okay. Now from here, I need to figure out a way to get my YouTube video into this window, and it's actually very easy. If you notice, there's 3 rows of modifier buttons, just like on Microsoft Word or Excel or PowerPoint. The first row being bold, italic, change the font, yada, yada, yada. The second row being formatting. So you'll see that there's spell check, cut and paste, hyperlinks, tables, all of that stuff. The one we're very interested in is this toggle HTML source mode. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to paste what's called an embed code into this post. And what that allows us to do is to insert a video into a post, just like it's text. Okay. So know that the button's right there. We'll come back to that. What I need to do is find my video. Okay. So I'm going to go to YouTube and find either my video or somebody else's video. In this case, you're going to find your own video. But for the example, I'm just going to put in a video from YouTube. Okay, so I'm going to go to Keyboard Cat, and I'm going to hit play just to make sure that it's the one I want. It's pretty rocking. I'm going to pause it. Now, in YouTube, what we're going to be looking for are the set of buttons right down below. We have like, add to, share, and embed. Now, since we're embedding a video, this is what will get us into YouTube, or into BlackBoard, I'm sorry. If we share the video, this is how we post on MySpace, or on through an email, or through Facebook, or through Twitter, or Google Buzz. But we don't care about that. Don't worry about the share button just yet. We'll get to that later on there in the semester. The embed button gives us a little code. And what this code, we need to get this code from here into BlackBoard. So how do we do that? Well, the easiest way is to right-click on it and click Copy. The quick way is to hit Command-C. Or if you're on a Windows machine, you want to hit Control-C. Excuse me. So I'm going to click Copy, and I'm going to take this code. I'm going to go back to BlackBoard in my BlackBoard window, and now I'm going to go up to Toggle HTML Source Mode, because I don't want to paste this as text. I want to paste this as HTML, which hopefully you guys know already is Hypertext Markup Language. So I'm going to click on this button here, and now I know that I'm in HTML source mode because it tells me right here, you are in HTML source mode. And that's what we want to see. So I'm going to click in the text window, and I'm going to right click and click paste. Now there's our code, and that's exactly what we want. So as long as you can see that this button's depressed and it says you're in HTML source mode and you have your code in there, everything should be golden. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click submit, and it's going to tell me you've just submitted. So I'm going to click on my post, and voila, there's the Keyboard Cat. Isn't he cute? So that's how to post a video in BlackBoard from YouTube. But I asked for 2 posts. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back to week 2 video uploads. I'm going to reply again, okay? And I'm going to type in Daniel's Vimeo embed, okay? So this is my Vimeo embed. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find my way over to Vimeo. And this is actually a video that I've done. So this is the trailer to my current documentary. Now, unlike YouTube, Vimeo has no buttons on the outside, but it has buttons inside the video. So just like YouTube, it's got a share right? That allows you to share on Facebook, Twitter, Delicious, MySpace. But what we're looking for is the embed code, okay? So the embed code is this code, and it's a little bit longer. It's a little bit longer than YouTube's embed code, but it's inserted into Blackboard in the exact same way. So I'm going to right-click, and I'm going to click Copy, and then I'm going to go back to my Blackboard window, and I need to click Toggle HTML Source Mode, and click Paste. So now, HTML source mode, paste. Looks great. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what this looks like if I forget to click the button. So I'm going to unclick. I'm going to paste. Okay, I'm going to just get rid of this stuff real quick. And now I don't have HTML source mode on, so I'm going to paste this in here and click Submit. Now what happens if I take a look at my video embed, all I see is the text, right? There's my embed code, but there's no video. Well, that's because I forgot to switch over to HTML source code mode. So what I'm going to do is if I make this mistake, I can always go up to my post, modify my post, okay? I'm going to delete this, okay? I'm going to click my toggle HTML source mode, make sure that there's nothing in that window, and then paste. So when I submit, Blackboard now reveals it, okay? Now it's very important that we do this because a lot of our discussion is going to be about online videos that we create on our own and that we find online. So, and this is the only way to get them into Blackboard, okay? Other than just creating a hyperlink. Well, if we create a hyperlink, and a hyperlink is just what's up here, guys. This is a hyperlink or this is the URL. If we do that, then we have to leave Blackboard to make comments and things. But this way we can stay in Blackboard and we can do all of our comments. And more importantly for me, I can grade you based on your comments. So with that said, what I'm going to do is I'm going to reply to this. I'm going to make a comment on this video, and I just watched it. And if I want to watch it again, I can watch it right up in this window. And I can say, great video. Okay, but I need to make a real comment. So I need to actually say something thoughtful, provocative, and/or you know, question the validity of the video. So I'm going to say, what about the developers? Don't they have rights too? Okay, so I'm going to submit that comment, and there's my original post. There's my comment. What about the developers? Don't they have rights too? And there it is. I am done. Okay, so that's how to embed a video from YouTube or Vimeo into Blackboard.